to combine many Excel files into one file and in one sheet. This is I have many files that I want to combine. So let's go together. So the first we open the new Excel file. Yes, this is the new one for Excel file, and then you click on data menu, and then click on data get data. After that, click on from file, and that you click on from folder. So if you click on folder and then you browse to folder that you have Excel file. So I have this folder on desktop. So I click on here and click open. After that, I got this text file from Excel that I want to combine into one sheet in one file. So then I click on combine and load here. Click on combine and then choose combine and load here. So we see all this, and then we click on sheet 1, and then we see the column and row of the first file, and we will combine for the sheet Excel file. But make sure that your row and column must be the same for all the sheet file, must be the same of the sheet file. And then you click on OK. After that, you will see here's here's the combined file that we do this moment, this one. And so I choose to check it. This is Jan, Feb, March, May, April. This one, it's okay now. So our file is in the one sheet and one file, and then you can click OK. Yes, thank you. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.